Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha Misra and today I'm going to take you through all the things that I do before I get to study, like real study. So the two most important things I do is just clean my desk, my study table, and then clean my bed, and then only I sit to study. Before that I also read some of the other things that I will be showing in this video. I have cleaned the whole desk. It was completely dirty because it is not something that happens every day, because the construction work is going on beside our house. That's the reason why it is so dirty. It was, and I have cleaned it. I'm cleaning some of the books because dirt has already taken place over them also. Mole Flanders is the oldest book that I own in my bookshelf, and I'm really proud of that. Now I'm cleaning my bed, and I fold my blankets in this format always because I want to make it look aesthetic, which I feel like aesthetic. I don't know whether it is really or not. That is my study corner. I am going to show you this. So this is my study corner. There are so many important things that are pasted on the wall, and some of them are also pinned out, and that is important for an English literature student to keep an eye on that every single day. Now if you can see, I'm reading Bhagavad Gita. This is something important for me, really important for me. This habit of reading Bhagavad Gita has been started from the day, like I don't remember exactly the day, but from the corona thing, from the day when this corona thing and lockdown has started, because it provides me with a lot of eternal peace, and it calms me and my mind completely. I love to read this every day. At least I try to read 4 to 5 pages of Bhagavad Gita. I also annotate. I really don't annotate much, but I highlight some of the important points, because every page, every paragraph, every sloka has some other important message that actually will enrich you in your life. It makes sense. You must read it. This is an amazing book. Now I'm sitting to read completely, like my study time has started. I'm reading Hamlet by William Shakespeare, and I'm reading the whole text. That is why I'm also highlighting and annotating the whole book. I'm using completely different highlighters, like 5 different kind of highlighters I'm actually using, and the dark green one is actually, which I'm using right now, is showing all the negative points and the plots and structures, everything which is showing some negative capacity, and the pink one is showing some love and something related to that theme, and the yellow, fluorescent yellow color is showing the conversation, the important conversation that comes in NET and SET exams also, which we have to remember who said this dialogue to whom, at what point, and which scene, which act, everything. So this is something important. And then the blue one is to highlight some of the plans and revenge that actually Hamlet is plotting against his parents. Now you can see I have changed my position, because yes, back pain is a legit problem, because if you can't actually, I can't sit up to hours together in a same position and annotate everything or write everything, so I need support. In this video I might look pissed off, because I am not pissed off exactly, but I am completely deep inside the book, because this tragedy, this drama is really intense. It is intense. Because this book is really very intense and hardcore tragic kind of book, and there are so many other things that are important. Every now and then I had to annotate and highlight. Every page was having some other important things to highlight and annotate, and this is all that I have read up to Act 4. Today I have read from Act 2 to Act 4, and this is all that I have annotated. So guys, this is all for today, and I really hope that this video has motivated you at some other point of time to complete all your tasks, concentrate more and focus more. I'm going to have my lunch, and I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.